So friends, let's make this delicious prawns dangar or cutlets. So here I've taken about 20 to 25 small prawns, deveined them and washed them really well. Now I'm going to add one small onion that I've chopped fine, one green chili that I've chopped fine, and we're just going to mix all these three ingredients really well. Now if you're using little larger prawns, you can cut them up into halves. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add some salt to taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 teaspoons of tamarind juice. So I've taken a small bowl of tamarind and soaked it in some warm water for 15 minutes and then I extracted the pulp. Alternatively, you can also use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add some coriander, about half a cup of fresh coriander chopped fine. And now I'm just going to mix everything really nicely. So our mixture is ready. Now I've taken some fine semolina or suji or rava. I'm going to form these into small flat cutlets. And I'm going to coat them with this fine semolina. Now another alternative, you can also use breadcrumbs instead of semolina. So I'm just going to form these small cutlets. Now if you want a very fine mixture, you can also grind this mixture in your mixer. But I like it this way, the traditional way of making this dangar is where you keep the small prawns whole and then add all of this. It really tastes very, very nice. And so now all our cutlets are formed. Now all we have to do is just shallow fry them in some oil. So I've taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a large pan. And I'm just going to place these cutlets and fry them on both sides till they're nice and golden brown on a low to medium flame. There you can hear the lovely oil sizzling and the cutlets frying. These are really, really tasty. And these go so well with some rice, some sorak or some fish curry. They're really, really delicious. And once they're done on one side, just change it on to the other side till the other side is also nice and golden brown in color. Recently, I had posted Bangda or mackerel cutlets, and some time ago, I had posted Mori or shark fish cutlets. So I leave the link to all those recipes down below in the description box. And our cutlets are ready to enjoy. So I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you.